Firstly, you don't have to do anything. Meaning also don't think what I have said. Try to keep your thoughts very peaceful. And I am sure all of you can get yourself well. But how many will grow? Because you have to come to the follow-up. Then you have to practice it in the centers. And it works out. Little bit time you have to give to yourself and to this global problem. You have to dedicate yourself. It's very important. You have to dedicate yourself. That doesn't mean that you have to become sannyasi or you have to be busy with this for 24 hours, nothing. But this dedication will make you so much one with yourself, with the whole universe, that I don't have to tell you that you dedicate. You will dedicate by yourself. So please don't stay here if you don't want to have self-realization. Nothing will happen to you. Please leave the hall in case you don't want self-realization. What you have to do is not to do anything. To put just your hands towards me. Of course, if you are wearing shoes, better take them out. Because Mother Earth is very important. Please put both the hands towards me. You don't have to pray, you don't have to say anything, just put your hands towards me, just like this. Now please close your eyes. It is important. Please close your eyes. This power, Kundalini, is placed in the triangular bone known as sacrum, is sacred, and it rises through 6 centers of the parasympathetic and ultimately pierces through the fontanelle bone area, which was a soft bone in your head, on top of your head. When you were a child, it was a soft bone. It pierces through that and enters into the subtle energy of all-pervading power of divine love. They call it by different name. They call it Brahma Chaitanya, call it Chaitanya. Some call it as Ruh. You may call it by any name. It's the love of God. Once you get connected with you, when you start feeling on your fingers some sort of a breeze, first some people will get hot, doesn't matter. But then it cools down and you get the cool breeze of the Holy Ghost, as they call it. And it starts flowing. You can now raise your left hand on top of your fontanelle bone area. Keep your eyes shut and see for yourself if there's a cool or a hot breeze coming out of your head. You can move your hand. Now see with your right hand. If there's a cool or a hot breeze coming out of your fontanelle bone area, which was a soft bone in your childhood, see for yourself. Bend your head. Better is to bend. Please bend your head. Again, put your right hand towards me and see for yourself with the left hand. See if there is a cool breeze coming out of your head. If it is hot, it's all right. Doesn't matter. It is coming because of the heat within you. Now all those who have felt cool or hot breeze in their hands or on their fingers or out of the fontanelle bone area, this is the real baptism. Please raise both your hands. Just imagine, you are the soldiers who are going to save the world from its destruction. Try to understand your importance. You can put down your hand. Everyone practically has felt. That means you are already matured to get your spiritual life. You are just on the brink of it. That's how you got it. It's last jump to reality. Now, you should know what is this, what are you, what is your spirit, and what you can do, what are your powers, what are spiritual powers. For this, I would request you to first to come to the follow-up program, and after that, you can join any one of the centers which are closer to and work it out. We have to work for the whole world. You should know there are 85 countries which are following Sahaja. And surprisingly, black country like Benin, we have 20,000 Sahajogis. Only 3 years back I started that. And in England, it's more than 16 years I've been working here. And after that also, all the time, every year. But somehow, the growth is very much there, but not subtle, not within ourselves. The growth is within, and you will enjoy, very much enjoy the reality. The reality is beautiful. Absolutely. May God bless you. They want to sing one song which was written in the 12th century by a saint in India. And is sung in all the villages, but nobody knows the meaning of that. The meaning is that, oh mother, give me the union, Jogwa, give me the union. I will give up my bad habits, I'll give up my temper, You don't have to do it. Now you will give up automatically. The light that you will have itself, automatically you will give up. Automatically. You don't have to do anything, but you have to meditate. About 10 minutes is not much.